Okay, my name is Beatriz Trenor, and I'm an associate professor at Politècnica University of Valencia in Spain. I'm working on SimCardioTest, which is a European Commission funded project. The main objective of SimCardioTest is to develop a standardized cloud-based platform to be able to perform in silico trials of medical devices and drugs. And we aim at accelerating the uptake of computer simulations to test drugs and medical devices. And we are working in close collaboration with regulatory bodies so that we can help the certification of this platform. I am leading the study, the analysis of safety and efficacy of drugs through computer simulations. On the one hand, we try to assess cardiac safety, which is to evaluate whether a cardiac or non-cardiac drug is dangerous for the heart. And on the other hand, we are also interested in analyzing drug efficacy, that is, whether a cardiac drug is really improving cardiac function. You know, to bring drugs to market is a very long procedure, and it's very expensive. It requires animal experimentation, long clinical trials. Then once the drug is in the market, there is a high rate of attrition. So we try to help with computer simulations to accelerate and reduce the cost of bringing drugs to market. How we can address this by performing an initial screening of drug effects, and also by building predictive tools that will help to assess the effect of the drug. And we are especially interested in considering specific scenarios which consider variability, population variability. The first step would be to build pharmacokinetic models of drugs so that we can assess the free plasma concentration of the drug, and then we can integrate this concentration, this model, into electrophysiological models and electromechanical models of cellular activity. And so with these simulations, we can have the outcome, the effects of the drugs on these cellular simulations. But then we can also build patient-specific models in which we can also simulate the effects of the drug in the electrical activity and electromechanical of the heart. And we can see the effects not only in propagation, but also in contraction and the signal, the external signal. This is how we're going to address it in different conditions, considering also pathological situations, but different patients such as male, female, adults, children. Well, my specific role will be the coordination of all the activities related to drug simulation, so that we have the standardized cloud-based platform ready for certification by the end of the project. We are academic partners from Politècnica University of Valencia, which I represent, but also from Simula Research Laboratories. All the members, all the partners in these two institutions have an extensive experience in cardiac and model simulation. And then we are working in collaboration with the company of ExactCure, who has experience in building pharmacokinetic models and simulation tools. And finally, In Silico Trials is a company who is responsible for building the cloud-based platform. Well, we are quite happy about our progress so far. So we have built PK models, pharmacokinetic models of a great number of molecules, and we have achieved the integration into the electrophysiological and electromechanical models at the cellular level, considering variability in terms of age and gender and pathological situations, such as heart failure and atrial fibrillation. So this is what we have been doing so far, and our next step would be to extend it to 3D models. So we want to assess the effect of the drugs at the 3D level of the electrophysiological propagation and electromechanical behavior. Well, we hope that by the end of the project, the platform is ready for certification and exploitation. So this will take us a few years, but we hope that we can achieve this by the end of the project. This work is not only going to be the patient, the ultimate beneficiary, because I think the regulatory bodies, pharmaceutical companies will also benefit from our work, but of course, the ultimate beneficiary will be the patient, who will see how drugs come faster to the market, and the effects of personalized treatments can be visualized with our simulations. Yes, well, I really think that we are contributing with modeling and simulation to the medicine of the future by providing tools that can really predict the outcome of a treatment, of a drug treatment, to the specific patient, to the specific situation of the patient, which I think that tailored medicine is really the medicine of the future. I think we are contributing to the medicine of the future by contributing to personalized medicine.